You should know about 10 impressive health benefits of eggs. Welcome to our video on 10 impressive health benefits of eggs you should know about. Eggs are a staple food in many households, and for good reason. They are incredibly nutritious, versatile, and easy to prepare. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 reasons why you should include eggs in your diet. Let's get started. 1. Nutrient-dense powerhouse. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Vitamins. Eggs are rich in vitamins A, D, E, K, and several B vitamins including B12, riboflavin, and folate. Minerals. They contain essential minerals like iron, zinc, phosphorus, and selenium. Proteins and fats. Eggs provide high-quality protein and healthy fats, making them a complete food. 2. High-quality protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. Amino acids. They contain all 9 essential amino acids needed by the body for growth and maintenance. Muscle building and repair. The protein in eggs helps build and repair muscle tissues, making them ideal for athletes and those engaging in physical activities. 3. Supports heart health. Eggs can be beneficial for heart health. HDL cholesterol. Regular consumption of eggs can increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, which is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Choline. Eggs are rich in choline, an essential nutrient that helps reduce inflammation and improve heart health. 4. Eye health. Eggs support good vision and overall eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin, these antioxidants, found in the egg yolk, help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing night blindness. 5. Brain health. Eggs are great for brain function and development. Choline, this nutrient is crucial for brain development and function, particularly important during pregnancy for fetal brain development. B vitamins. Eggs contain B vitamins like B6 and B12 that help with brain function and the production of neurotransmitters. 6. Weight management. Including eggs in your diet can aid in weight management. Satiety. The high protein content in eggs helps you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Low in calories. Eggs are relatively low in calories, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. 7. Bone health. Eggs contribute to strong and healthy bones. Vitamin D. Eggs are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. Calcium. They also provide calcium, which is important for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. 8. Skin health. Eggs promote healthy, glowing skin. Collagen production. The proteins in eggs support collagen production, which is vital for skin elasticity and firmness. Vitamin E. Eggs contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals. 9. Immune system support. Eggs can boost your immune system. Selenium and zinc. These minerals play a crucial role in immune function, helping to ward off infections and illnesses. Vitamin A and B12. These vitamins are important for maintaining a strong immune system. 10. Versatility and convenience. Eggs are incredibly versatile and convenient. Easy to cook, whether boiled, scrambled, poached, or baked, eggs are quick and easy to prepare. Versatile ingredient. Eggs can be used in a wide variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner, and even in baking and desserts. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 10 impressive health benefits of eggs you should know about. From providing high-quality protein and supporting heart and brain health to promoting strong bones and glowing skin, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. Including them in your daily diet is an easy and delicious way to enhance your overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Stay healthy and enjoy your eggs.